Got a sore throat or cough? Here's a quick and natural solution. Salt water gargle. Take 1 glass of warm water. Make sure it's comfortably warm, not too hot. Add half a teaspoon of salt and stir until it dissolves completely. Now take a sip, tilt your head back, and gargle for about 30 seconds. Then spit it out. Repeat 2 to 3 times. This simple remedy reduces swelling, kills germs, and soothes throat irritation instantly. Do this 2 to 3 times a day for fast recovery. Salt water gargle, a simple trick for instant relief, right from your kitchen.